China reacted angrily on Thursday to a U.S. military transport jet's flight over the self-ruled island of Taiwan, calling it an illegal act and serious provocation. The Chinese People's Liberation Army 75th Group Army recently commissioned a batch of vehicle-mounted PCL-181 howitzers and immediately used it in exercises in Nanjiang Hujiao, or Horn of the Southern Border amid border tensions with India. What will happen when person quits PLA once after joining in the service? The government makes your life as living hell. He or she has subjected to be awarded with 8 different punishments after withdrawing from the services. India's assessment is that the threat from China's military posturing along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh stems from the fighter jets, long-range bombers, air defense radars and jammers it has amassed close to the LAC. According to the Indian Defence News, an undisclosed Chinese company has leased for 50 years a tiny island from the Republic of Maldives. Aerial photographs now show the island being extended so that it may serve as an air force base on the Indian Ocean, only some 600 kilometers off the Indian mainland.